Here at Biggs Harley-Davidson, we have a 2017 CVO Pro Street Breakout in color Scorched Apple and Starfire Black. With a 110 cubic inch Screamin' Eagle air-cooled engine and a 6-speed transmission. This bike comes equipped with many great amenities, including a heavy breather intake, inverted front forks, a wide rear tire, a cafe racer fairing, and much more. The best thing about this bike is the fact that it has only 746 miles. This thing has barely gotten warm. The very unique and beautiful paint job, fresh out of detail and fresh out of service. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week at Biggs Harley-Davidson in San Marcos.